Hi, I'm Sophie Wright, chef and food writer, mother of one with another one on the way. When you're pregnant and it's hot outside, these ice lollies are a great way of quenching your thirst and cooling you down.